Hello and welcome to our Open Sesame tutorial. As you can see, I'm at a place where I can log into PeopleSoft using the self-service login. Simply click Self-Service Login. All you need to do is log in using your NetID, and you will be taken into PeopleSoft. You'll see a tile for Learning Management. Click on that, and then click Learning Management Brainier. You'll be prompted again to enter your Emory ID, and then you'll be taken to Brainier. The page you see now, called the dashboard, is where you'll end up. Searching for Open Sesame training is easy and fast. All you need to do is click All Learning on the left. There are 4 different ways to search here. The most effective way is to browse by tag. For example, to find Open Sesame training, you just click on the Open Sesame tab and all the Open Sesame courses will come up. To further narrow it down, it could be a good idea to go to the search bar at the top of your screen. Let's say that you work in training and you're interested in finding classes related to your skills. Simply type training, press enter, and those courses will come up. Maybe you're looking for something that gives you accreditation. For example, you could try CPD for continuing professional development credits. You could also enter other words to get the courses that contain those keywords. Once you're ready to take the course, you simply click on it to see the duration and description. If you decide to take the course, click Start and a new tab will open up. The first time you do this, you might get a notification that you need to allow pop-ups in your browser for Open Sesame. Doing so will enable the training to open in a new tab. Here you can start the course, and once the training is complete, you can exit and go back to Brainier. Because I didn't take the course, it only marked me as halfway through. But if I had completed it, you would see the number 100% here. That's all you need to do to start your Open Sesame training. Thank you for your time and happy learning.